So hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial video, we are going to learn about mouse move cursor tail effects very easily by using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So let's start with our HTML file. So as you can see that this is our title and links here. And now let's start with our body tag. So let's start with our class. So let's create class. So I give them the name as a ABC. Inside the ABC class, I'm going to write down more class here, guys. So let's write down. So here I give them the name as a pointer and pointer one. If you don't know how this class works here both at the once, then visit our CSS tutorials, guys, so you can understand how it works. Okay. Now let's copy this and create more class here as a six pointer. So let's change this name 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, now let's move forward to our CSS file. So let's create our body tag, curly brackets open and close. Let's give them the margin as a 0, padding as a 0, overflow as a hidden, then background as a black. Now let's start with our pointer class. So let's write down our pointer class, curly brackets open and close. Let's give them the position as a absolute. Now let's write down our top position as a 50%, then left position as a 50%, then transform as a translate minus 50%, 50%. Now let's write down our width as a 30 pixel. I'm going to write down here, guys. Now let's write down our height as a 30 pixel. Now let's create the background as a RGBA as a white we are going to take, but we are going to give the opacity here as a 0.1 or as a zero point 0.1, whichever you want to write. So as you can see, this is my square look like. Now let's give them the border radius as a 50%. Now let's write down pointer events as a none. Then box sizing, border box. Let's give them the transition as a 0.2 second. It's my mistake, not only 50% we need to write. So as you can see, the circle is here. Okay, here our transition, as you can see, when we refresh it, it takes some times here. Okay, so this is our CSS file. Clear most of, guys. We just need to give them the animation, the only remaining. Now let's move forward to main part or JavaScript. We are going to take very easily point here, guys. So make sure you understand. Okay, now let's enter here. Let's open our browser. As you can see, when you open this jQuery core, then you need to take whichever you want to version you use. As you can see, let's use this one. So there's a copy links here. You need to copy that and let's paste it here. Okay, but we don't need this integrity. Okay, so I'm just going to clear this one. Even if you clear that, it's don't mind. Okay, we just need these links. This works. Okay, now let's write down our script. Type as a text as a Java script. Close, and inside that script we are going to write down our $sign, then document dot mouse move. As a function, we are going to give them, and let's curly brackets open and close. Let's write down dollar sign, and inside that dollar sign we need to write down our class here, as you can see. So let's copy our class. Okay, now the CSS we are going to use. Inside that, let's curly brackets open and close. I'm going to give them the let position as a e dot page capital X. Let's give them the comma. Now give them the top position as e dot page capital Y. So here our JavaScript clear, guys. As you can see, it's working right now. Whenever I move my mouse, it tells the effects here. As you can see that, guys. Now let's use our this pointer which we use. So we are going to give them the different pointer, different animation seconds, guys. So let's give them the transition as a 0.05 second. So as you can see, there's a background. It takes some time, as you can see. Now let's use all the pointer. Let's give them 2 as a 3 as a 4 as a 5 and 6. Now we need to give them distance seconds here, so let's give them 0.1 seconds. So as you can see, there's background. Now let's give them 15 seconds. As you can see, 25, 35 and 45. So as you can see that, guys, whenever I move my mouse, it saves the effects here, as you can see. So according to your need, you can change the transition here, guys. Okay, as you can see, I use it here. If I use A, then I need to use it here as a A. So whichever you want. So as you can see, it's still working. If some guys don't understand why I write here E, that's why I show you the difference. Whichever function name you write it, you need to use it in here. Okay. So that is for all our mouse move cursor trail effects, guys. This is very easy trick, guys. Okay, if you have any query, write down in the comment section. And also for the source code, don't forget to write your email ID in the comment section. Okay, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.